warming to you all. Global warming is the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to the increase in the level of carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants. Cutting down trees, using transportation and burning of coal are the causes of global warming. Rising temperatures of the climate, sea level increment, drought and greenhouse effects are the effects of global warming which affects ecosystem, human health and all over the Earth. There are various reduction methods of global warming such as do not cut the trees, save energy, stop pollution and save water.